AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, so I did like a little adjustment on my trailer racks right there for this 52-inch zero turn, and let me show you why. So when I bought these trimmer racks, I installed them on the inside of the trailer, all right, because that's how normal people do it, you know. But this 52-inch zero turn does fit in there. As you can see, we have like a couple of inches right there on that side, and a couple inches on this side. But the problem was the flap right here. This flap, as you back out, it was hitting right here, the trimmer racks. All right, so I had to like swivel like side to side to try to adjust out. No big problem, but it gets kind of frustrating, and especially when we're trying to get to the other customer. You know, like it's like you want to hurry up because time is money. And I figure, you know what, whatever, you know what I mean. I could swivel out the trailer with zero turn, but hey, after a couple of times, you know, I was starting to get frustrated. You know what I'm saying? So what I did was I installed them on the outside. So I went to the Home Depot and I bought these where are they at? As you can see right there, I bought these washers, these washers right there. All right, as you can see right there. They didn't have the right size, so I had to buy two different types of sizes to try to make it work. Okay, so that's how I did it, y'all. And it's like a perfect fit right there too. I did on the other side right here. So that's what I did, y'all. And the reason being was because of that flap right there. So you back out. If this trimmer rack wasn't over here, it'll be hitting, that flap will be hitting it as you pull out. You know, so that's why I did this. You know, that's why I made the adjustment to the trailer with the trimmer racks. So hey, if we're running into the same problem, you know, hey, hopefully this helps. Yeah, y'all. So no more frustration getting out the zero turn out the trailer now. So yeah, you probably think it's not a big deal, but you know, hey, if it makes you feel better, if it makes you feel faster, hey, do what you got to do, adjust. And that's what I did. I adjusted. This is a 52-inch zero turn and a 5x8 trailer. Yep, a 52-inch does fit in a 5x8. But keep in mind, little things like that flap right there. All right, if you have a trimmer rack on the inside, it may be hitting that flap. Somebody told me, hey, why don't you just cut it? I told my wife, hey, what do you think about cutting it? And she's like, you know what? I'm not all about cutting safety of the equipment, because that's safety right there, y'all. All right, it prevents stuff from like flying out, you know what I mean, upward, you know, potentially damaging property or hurting somebody. Hey, maybe killing somebody too, you know what I mean? So that's why we didn't want to cut it. All right, so instead of making the adjustment on the zero turn, we made the adjustment on the trimmer racks going outside the zero turn. I hope this video helps out if you're trying to come up with an idea how to adjust your trimmer racks to the outside of the trailer. So that's how I did it, y'all. Hey, if you like this video, leave a comment. If it helped out, hit like. Share this with somebody who's in the same situation. Other than that, please subscribe to my channel. There's more videos to come. Thank you and God bless. Bye.